Terrazyme is an amazing product that doTERRA has. It's actually one of my two most favorite products. My first one is the Lifelong Vitality Pack, and my second one is Terrazyme. And these actually go hand in hand with each other. And at the end of this video, you'll know why. Basically, our body has metabolic enzymes and digestive enzymes. And then we have digestive enzymes out in nature that help us to digest our food. Our body, the functions of our body and also the chemical processes of our body are really dependent upon those enzymes, and they're really important. One of the functions of the metabolic enzymes is to help support the immune system, and it's also when the liver and the pancreas produce digestive enzymes, that's to help us digest our food. When we're looking at the types of food that we eat, that actually plays a major role in this whole thing as well, because if you're eating basically the American diet and you're eating foods that have been processed, even if it's fruits and vegetables, but they've been processed with heat in any way, shape, or form, those enzymes are gone and they die very quickly. Basically, a diet that is filled with raw fruits and vegetables that are vine ripened have the most harmonious way of supporting the body with giving the enzymes that you need to be able to have that proper function of the immune system and all these other systems, and also digest your food. So when we're looking at the foods that we eat, if we're eating the standard American diet and it is really low on the enzymes, if it has any at all, you're having to tap from your metabolic enzymes just to be able to digest your food, just to be able to stay alive. And so what ends up happening is that other systems become sluggish. So if you're looking at people who may have need more support with their immune systems, then when you're looking at the type of food that they eat and how how that's all going down, you can see now, knowing that enzymes are crucial for immune function, why that would be a big problem. So I have a daughter that is immune compromised. When she was 9.5 years old, because of her birth defects, we ended up having to take out her spleen, her gallbladder, and her tonsils. And then a year after that, her adenoids. And all of that, all the three of those systems are systems that do offer filtration and support for the immune system. So when we took out the gallbladder, knew that was coming out, talked to the doctor, he said that she would have a hard time digesting foods, digesting mostly fats and carbohydrates and things like that. So we looked around, we knew that there was this digestive thing that doTERRA had, and so we thought, okay, it's time to get to know about another product. So we started using the Terrazyme with her at every meal. And the funniest thing that we found, and we were baffled by this, is that during other times where we needed support, right, where there were seasonal threats or we could feel something coming on, we're feeling a little achy or feeling just kind of cruddy, we noticed that she never ever had this problem, never really needed support in this area, and we were completely like baffled by that, could not figure it out. So when we started looking into this and I started learning more about the Terrazyme that we were giving to her, I started realizing, holy cow, Terrazyme, it actually is helping her to take her Lifelong Vitality Pack that she was also on, to take her Lifelong Vitality Pack and get those nutrients more into her cells. And not only that, but it was also helping her utilize the food that she was eating and to get more nutrients out of the same food. We're all eating the same food, right? And we're all taking the Lifelong Vitality Pack, but she was the only one that was on the digestive enzyme, the Terrazyme, and she was getting so much more out of the nutrient level of the food. She was also having the actual literal support of enzymes to the systems of her body for immune effect, for immune support. And so, as you can see, the Terrazyme, it's an awesome product. It is not just about digesting your food. It's about bringing the needed factor of the enzyme into the system so that the system can run more effectively and so that you can digest your food more effectively, and you also can absorb the nutrients of the vitamins more effectively. I highly recommend it. We buy 4 of these a month. We will never ever live without this again. It is absolutely one of my 2 favorite products. So I hope that you'll get some Terrazyme into your home. Give it a try. It doesn't hurt at all. It's awesome. It's wonderful. And it's a little fun experiment. So wish you all luck. Happy Terrazyming. See you later. Bye.